Your outdoor space should be more than just grass and shrubs. It should be a place you're proud of. At All Things Outdoors, we help homeowners transform ordinary yards into clean, healthy, and beautiful landscapes that last. From full-service landscaping, our experienced crew handles every detail: landscaping designs, installation services, and your budget to create a personal oasis. We can turn your backyard into a luxury outdoor space, keeping your property looking sharp year-round in the Texas climate. Need a refresh? We specialize in landscape enhancements like mulch installation, plant bed design, and curb appeal upgrades that make a real difference without the stress. We believe great landscaping comes down to consistency, quality, and respect for your property showing up on time, doing the job right, and leaving your yard better than we found it. Visit us at allthingsoutdoors.net to learn more about our landscaping services and request your free estimate today.